कोण ती तकली उजा केली आमगे बरे रस्तो आमगे बरे ड्रेनेज सडनली एकोदा सोयरेची काम येयला आनी एकोदा अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग फॉर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. There was no urgency of that underground cabling. कित्याक रोखडें in 15 days or 20 days or so monsoon comes a pre-monsoon rain. And see what has happened to this road and who is responsible for all this, I just don't know. आमगे panchayat body as well as our MLA should look into this matter very seriously, because otherwise you know the state of this road, you can just see.
हे आता सध्या गटारू जाले ते रेल्वेत गाडी वचपाक काय पेडा हिंगा फायली एक गाडी येयला जाल्यार ते पडलो कोणा तेका आनी कांय चान्स ना वचपाक. हे आता केन्ना करता कितें जाता म्हणून कांय सांगूंक शकना. दिसा पयलीं करपा जाय आसलो न्हू. हिंगा राती लायटूच पेटना राती.